My name is Amit Raka.
मैं कामाख्या नारायण सिंह।
My name is Varuni Jain. Myself Batul Koicha.
I am Hiral Modi.
मेरा नाम जपसिमरन है और मैं यहाँ CCL में 5 दिन की केमिस्ट्री वर्कशॉप करने के लिए आई हूँ।
तो मैं एक रिटायर्ड टीचर हूँ, लेकिन जब ये माइक्रो स्केल केमिस्ट्री न्यू टर्म के बारे में सोचा तो बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी हुई।
And it was fabulous to know because today I understand the importance of workshops around science and chemistry.
Actually, I was attending Eklavya last session and I am also attending now Eklavya. So I used to get emails about these workshops.
Before this, I thought that chemistry and its demonstrations and all and activities are dangerous and quite costly.
Definitely before coming there were many doubts regarding what will be the session about, like chemistry, what all will be taught, and it will be a 8 hours session.
यहाँ पर आकर बेसिकली ये समझा कि केमिस्ट्री हम फन तरीके से और सेफ एंड मोर एक्सेसिबल भी करवा सकते हैं बच्चों को।
यहाँ पे आने के बाद जो मेरे अंदर का एक बच्चा था जो केमिस्ट्री से डरता था कहीं ना कहीं बिकॉज ऑफ द अपरेटस केमिकल नेम्स दैट आर देयर ऑन द लेबल्स, yes it is sad but I was scared of chemistry being a chemistry educator, but यहाँ पे जितने माइक्रो स्केल में हमने केमिस्ट्री को देखा, छोटी छोटी जगह पे केमिस्ट्री को देखा, हर जगह पे केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, फिजिक्स सबका एक इंटीग्रेशन देखा, वो मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही आई ओपनिंग थिंग थी।
Different hands-on activities, the kits that were given, the instructions that were given, the worksheet that were given, the quizzes what they have given along with this activity was really wonderful.
Photography, painting was something amazing that we did today. It was beautiful. So these are some activities we can make students do on the daily basis, and they can understand chemistry, science in a very different way.
Those lab work that we were doing into the lab can now be done into the class. The group work which was done where there were some people who were not able to grasp the concept, now they'll be able to do, because now with the skits what we will be working on, we would surely be able to give each and every student an experience, and I'm sure this experience will develop curiosity amongst them to learn more. They'll be more involved in the learning process.
Obviously, I am going to pass on what things I have learned here, and my chemistry class is now going to be a very micro scale as well as very wonderful and fun and engaging for the students.
It's beautiful experience over here. We have learned many things on daily basis. Hands-on chemistry was really good.
मेरे को लगता है कि यहाँ पर आकर हम जो मैक्रो स्केल जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स है उसको माइक्रो लेवल पे क्लासरूम में भी सिखा सकते हैं। अब चीज़ है कि there is no alternative to doing, as Gandhi said. So I wish that I can take this.
And it was literally beyond the beaker. We didn't even touch beaker, but we performed 10 experiments per day. And they prepared a amazing kit.
हमारे 5 दिन बहुत स्मूथली गए और होपफुली ये 5 दिन हमारे बच्चों के साथ 500 दिन बन के निकलेंगे, क्योंकि हमने इतना ज्ञान इकट्ठा किया है कि हम 500 दिन तक इसे अपने बच्चों के साथ प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं।
I'm thankful to Tower Research for granting this project.
CCL, IIT, गांधीनगर को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम किया, और अपना अनुभव क्या शेयर करूँ, ऐसा लगता है कि इस कंट्री में, इंडिया में, जैसे कि ये केमिस्ट्री के न्यू वे में, नए एरा में ये हम लोगों को ले जा रहा है।